Hello everybody, this is Beth and welcome to my videos where I show you how to use up your stash. This is a page we did a few years ago and I recently put my little boy's pictures in it. And what I liked about it was this kind of square, it's not a square, but a block piece in the center that frames the pictures nicely. And I like the way it's anchored at the bottom with these various stripes. So I was going to take this idea and use some of the papers I already have. And this is one that I came up with. Here's another one that I came up with, and I'll talk you through some of these. Okay, what I like about this is this 12-inch piece of paper that stretches from this side of the page over onto the right-hand side of the page. Oftentimes, I have scraps of paper that are 12 inches long, and this is a great way to kind of stretch them over 2 pages and make a wonderful frame for my pictures. Look at that. What I tend to do is cut it at the 5-inch mark, so there's a 7-inch side and a 5-inch side, as you can see here, and that just allows me to fit 4x6 pictures nicely. You can also see on this one where I took a 12-inch piece of paper, 7 inches, 5 inches, and I have a balancing border down here, and I'll show you a little bit more of what I'm doing with both of these two layouts. There's a lot of goodies that I can use for my page, and I just kind of include those in my stash. There's a title that I could use. There's some cute little acrylic elephants and bows. There's a turtle. I like him walking along here. There's his buddy. And this one has a hippo. Sometimes if you do purchase one of these kits from me, they will have slightly different accoutrements. Embellishments, that's a good word. Okay, more choices. Oh, I love the fox. I just love the fox. And then I always like to include, if I can, some mats. So, photo mats. So here's just some ideas. I think I like this one over here. Oh, I like this one there. You get a lot of, I have a lot of choices because I'm just using up some leftover paper. And I just want to take a second here to show you a few other things I've added to your little bag of goodies. We cut out this pocket here, like that. It's really cool. You can put one of your little embellishments from your kit on the tags. You can use the tags for journaling. Anyway, what you do is just fold those sides up like that, put some tape on them, and in they go. Okay, I brought also a few little ones that I thought could be clustered somewhere, just kind of to balance things out. If you want to add string to the rest of your tags, I included some string for you, and I split the string in half so it kind of has this curly looking edge here. I kind of like it. And just a last minute tweak, I realized I forgot to trim these off, and I think they should be kind of short. That's my thinking. So that looks a little better, and I bet you could come up with something a little better here. I'm not sure. But when you get a kit like this, all of these things, like this fox and the mats, are all put down very lightly with just a tape that's not permanent, temporary tape. So feel free to move those around so that it works for you. Okay? So in this one, I have some pieces that would go on the side, that could go on the side, like that, and a matching one over here. And I have this nice piece that kind of goes down there, that anchors the pictures that are in here. And what's cool about this one is you can also flip it and have the yellow side showing. And this strip might be able to be that one. So this is how I'm choosing to lay out this page for my purposes. I like these extra mats. There's a picture that could go up there. 2 pictures can go here, or 1. All right. I have a little frog here that can go here. And this is what I love. I just created these little bird's nests. And just take a look at this bird's nest close up. And I want you to notice how I spent so much time getting those 2 little beaks to open up like that. You know, just got to point that out. That could go there. Ooh, I like it. I like it. And the other thing, this also comes with a lot of these extra cards, so you can have titles like that. And it comes with some extra photo mats.